Welcome back to my channel, and guys, I'm going to show you how to do green fry plantain. This one is still green because it's still hard, so it's green still. I like them a little bit like this, not like really green, because you want the flavor from them. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to core both ends, and then you want to core down the side and you want to peel it. This is how you peel your plantain. So this one is a little bit turned and this one is green. Use your knife and core off the excess skin. Just like so. I have my two plantains right here. You can make them big or you can make them small. It's up to you. However, for the video purpose, I'm going to cut them in 3. And you want to cut it down the middle. I have some coconut oil. You can use regular oil, but for me the coconut oil is healthier. So I'm going to pour just enough in to cover about that. You want to get a clear or clean paper towel. This one is disposable, so you want to get something like this, or just a regular hand towel or paper towel. It doesn't matter which one. What you can do, you can soak these in some salt water if you want, but however, I'm going to sprinkle the salt after. So you want to go on in and set them in the oil. So you're going to fry them somewhat. So when they are somewhat fried on one side, you're going to flip them over. Now my peeps, I think they're ready to come out, and you want to get a paper towel with a plate. And I'm going to take them out and let them drain. So now they're soft and nice. And I have few pieces more, and I'm just gonna fry them. Now they can come out. They're all fried up somewhat. All right, now is the good part. I want to put these aside, And then you want to take your towel, and first thing you're going to grab 1 or 2 or 3, but I'm just going to do 1 for now. Set it on it, and you want to fold it over. Use your hand or any flat surface you have, and you want to press it. Voila, look how soft and nice it is, all pressed. And you want to go back in the oil, and now you're going to fry them. Now you don't want them to burn, you want them to be golden brown, so you have to watch them, okay? And I want mine to be just like that, golden brown. So I'm gonna go ahead with some Himalayan salt, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some when they're being fried. You can do it either way, before or after, or you can soak them in some salt water. I have a different plate, and I'm just gonna lay some more paper towel down, and I'm gonna take these out. This one is done, and I'm gonna lay it for the oil to drain. And meanwhile you're frying, as you take some out, you can go ahead and put some in. I'm the baddest. And my peeps, this is it right here. I'm gonna take these out, let them drain, and I'm gonna turn my stove off. Look at that, guys. I'm making some sausage and baked bean, and I have some mixed vegetable right there. Right here I have about 4 sausage, and I'm just gonna cut them up. Some healthy breakfast. Now it browned up somewhat, I'm gonna add a little bit of corn and about half of this baked bean. I like to drain the water off the top, and I'm gonna add about half can. You can put peas. I'm gonna add just a little bit of corn for color. I'm gonna add some Diana sauce to it. And that's it, no water. Just gonna stir fry it a little bit. I'm also gonna add a little bit of peas, not too much, just a little. This is good for lunch, brunch, dinner, whatever. I'm gonna dish some out and then I'm gonna show you. And my peeps, this is the final result right here. My beautiful fried green plantain. Oh yes, yummy and nice. And I serve it up with some sausage and baked bean and some corn and peas and lots of vegetable. This meal is good for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Yes. Look at that, guys. Yes, yes. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. So good. Bye, guys. Put God first.